It's time to get rid of that Five Below keyboard. Let me show you a few keyboards that I found on the TikTok shop that I think you'll love. All right, so first up, we got the Mechanic KD68 Pro, mini pixelated screen, customizable buttons, comes with an app for your computer, and I love the cyberpunk vibe of this one. Then you have the Aula F98 Pro with 19 different effects. You can change the colors of them. You can make it specific colors. Has the sidebar on it. Just overall, I love this one for gaming. Here we have the Aula F75 Pro. Has 3 different remote connections, Bluetooth, wired, and wireless. And last but not least, you can get this keychain to take with you.